Final video to fix Palworld error. Failed to host multiplayer session. And if you can't play online, let me ask you, are you opening Palworld and seeing fail to host multiplayer session? When trying to join or create game, this problem usually happens because network settings block connections. NAT type is strict or firewall and antivirus interfere with multiplayer. Sometimes recent updates, corrupted game files, or background apps also trigger the error many people search. YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated network tweaks, risky firewall edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not allow multiplayer. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing everything blindly, we fix the exact network ports, game configuration, and system settings that cause failed to host multiplayer session. This works because it restores proper connection between Palworld and game servers. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows PCs. Once you apply it, multiplayer sessions host normally, friends can join correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple setups, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions if Palworld failed to host multiplayer session. It is frustrating you and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions. Comment below and I will guide you completely.